Welcome back to my voice to the last video. That was kind of crazy. Listen to this.
Cause I got phantom pain.
Okay, what's gonna do it? Quack! Quack! Quack!
Quack, quack, quack.
Let's do that.
Cause I got phantom pain.
Okay, that was.
Cause I got phantom pain.
Okay, that was.
Cause I got
Can I edit this?
Cause I got phantom pain.
Okay, that was. How many ones did I do? That one.
Cause I got phantom pain.
Okay.
Cause I got phantom pain.
Okay, that was. Wait,
Cause I got phantom pain.
Okay, that was. Hey, it's an owl. Okay. Well, how do you use the owl? Ooh. Okay, let's do that. Twat twat. Oh gosh. Twat twat. Twat twat. Twat twat. Twat twat. Okay, that was.
Cause I got phantom pain. Cause I got phantom pain. Cause I got phantom pain.
Okay, that was. Okay, that was.
Cause I got phantom pain. Cause I got phantom pain.
Why is it glitching?
Phantom pain. Cause I
Why
got
is it glitching?
Cause I got phantom pain.
Why is it doing that one? I want it to be different.
Cause I got phantom pain. Cause I got phantom pain.
Okay, I think I should.
Cause I got phantom pain. Cause I got phantom pain. Phantom pain.
Oh, cause of this
I
guy.
got phantom pain.
Okay, that was. Yeah, that's just what it was.
Cause I got phantom pain.
How do I fix it?
that was.
I'm a flamingo. Ah! I'm a flamingo. Ah! Perfect.
Cause I got phantom pain.
It's doing that. Instrumental. Okay, that was.
What's
going on?
Phantom pain.
Idiot sheep.
Ah,
it's me.
Cause I got phantom pain.
Ring ding 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 ding. Ring ding ding ding. Oh, I remember that one, but
Cause I got phantom pain.
okay, that was. Okay, that was. My
Cause I got
game.
phantom pain.
Why is it glitching?
Cause I got phantom pain.
What?
Okay, that was. Cause I got phantom pain.
It's glitching.
Okay, that was.
Why is it glitching? What the heck? How do I unlock this?
Cause I got phantom pain.
Oh, I need 8,000.
Cause I got phantom pain.
I'm getting a lot of money though from this. I'm not doing a lot. That's what I do. Okay, that was.
Cause I got phantom pain.
Okay, that was. What is it? Eagle. Oh, it's an eagle. Oh, it's ready for the eagle. What should I do for the eagle? Okay. Just gonna name it Eagle. How about that? Okay. Cock! 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 Oh, I like that. Okay, that was.
Cause I got phantom.
That was. I like that.
Cause I got phantom. Cause I got phantom pain. Phantom. Cause I got phantom pain.
Why is it doing that one?
Phantom. Cause I got phantom pain. Cause I got phantom.
The heck?
That was. Cause I got phantom pain.
That was. I don't know.
Cause I got phantom
I'll go through this one. What is it? A lion. Okay, I got this. Lion. I'm gonna land it in lion. Ready?
Cause I got phantom. Cause I got phantom pain.
What is going on? It's glitching to that one.
Cause I got phantom pain.
Why is it doing that one? I just jump in the water or something?
Phantom pain.
My game, what's wrong with it? Okay, I'm gonna do all the animals. Oh no, not a rhino! It's a rhino. Oh, what should I do for the rhino? What should I do for the rhino? We'll watch. What shall I name it? Rhino? Ready? Ah! Oh my gosh, that's loud. Yeah, okay, I like that.
Cause I got fun.
Well, it's glitching, it's doing a different one.
Cause I got phantom
Keep
pain.
on saying it, because I got phantom pain.
Cause I got phantom pain.
Every single one's saying phantom pain.
Cause
I
I
don't know
got
what's wrong with
phantom pain. Okay, that was phantom pain.
Okay. When am I even recording this?
Cause I got
This is
phantom
weird.
pain.
I hate this. What's this? Elephant. Well, what sound does an elephant make? Ah, okay. What should I name it? True. I like that. Let's do that.
Cause I got phantom pain.
What the heck? Why's it glitching into that one? Okay.
Okay, that was.
Okay, what should I do? What should I do for this?
Cause I got phantom. Okay, that was.
One yawn is if you
I
can
got
swallow. It's a hippo.
Okay,
It's
was.
gonna be a hippo. Watch. Oh yeah, see? I knew it. I knew it! I knew everything was there against you. Okay, let me try this. Oh. Hip. Well, I named it Hip. I can't put. Hi-yo. 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 I like that. Let's do that.
Cause I got phantom pain. Okay, that was. Cause I got phantom pain. Cause I got phantom pain. Cause I got phantom pain. Cause I got phantom
Let me
pain.
change the font. That's good. That's good. I like that.
Cause I got phantom pain. Okay, that was. Phantom pain. Cause I got phantom pain. Okay, that was. Cause I got phantom pain.
Why do I keep on saying that?
Okay, that was.
Okay. We only got a few animals left. There's so many left.
Cause I got phantom pain.
Okay, yeah.
Okay,
Oh my gosh.
Cause I got phantom pain.
I'm waiting for my money to grow up a bit.
Cause I got phantom pain. Okay, that was. Cause I got phantom pain. Okay, that was.
Okay. It's a bear? What sound does a bear make? Or something. Okay. What should I name it? Grizzly. Grizzly. Okay. I like that. That's good. Let's see.
Cause I got pain. Okay, that.
Oh my god, what is going on?
Cause I got phantom pain. Okay, that was. Cause I got pain. Cause I got phantom pain. Cause I got phantom pain. Okay, that was pain.
Okay, I need to change whatever's done. I think it's because of the flamingo.
Okay, that was.
I'll change the flamingo. Why are you making the phantom fame noise? Why are you making the phantom fame noise?
Okay, that was. Cause I got phantom pain. Cause I got pain. Cause I got phantom. Cause I got phantom. Cause I got phantom pain. That was.
Are you kidding me? Okay, that's gonna be today's video. That was crazy. And also, you see, I changed the thingy out of it. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Bye.